morning. Welcome to the students of class 9. I am Elsie Madam. Our subject is Social Science. Today is our fourth day of Social Science. Today's date is 28/2020. Class 9, subject Social Science. Chapter 2, Geography, fourth part. The name of the chapter is Physical Features of India. Before starting the class, I want to give a small information about the homework. Still, more than half of the students did not send your homework. We are very helpless to give the mark for you. You are attending the class, just you are seeing the video, but no response from your side. Take it seriously. It's okay? Come back to the class. The main topic of this chapter is major physiographic division. 3 points we already explained, that is the Himalayan mountain, the northern plains and the peninsular plateau. Today's next 2 topics I am going to explain. First topic is the Indian desert and the second one is the coastal plains. Today's topics are the Indian desert and the coastal plains. Okay. Yes, first our topic is the Indian desert. Indian desert lies towards the western margin of Aravalli Hills. It is a sandy plain covered with sand dunes. Sand dunes, because this area is covered with sands. What are the features of this area? That is, it receives very low rainfall, that is below 150 millimeter per year. First one, very low rainfall. Second one, it has an arid climate with low vegetation. Why? Water is not available, so vegetation level also will be very low. Streams appear during the rainy season. During the rainy season, some small streams appear, but soon after they disappear into the sand. So they do not have enough water to reach the sea. Luni is the only large river in this region. Clear, everybody? What are the features of the Indian desert? One is it covered with sand or sand dunes, receiving very low rainfall, arid climate. Next, low vegetation. Streams appear only in the rainy season. After that, soon after the rainy season, they disappear because they have no water to reach the sea. But only one large river is there in this region. It is known as Luni. Luni, Luni. I hope our first topic is clear for you. And today's second topic is the coastal plains. What is the name of the topic? The coastal plains. Coastal area means, what do you mean by? The area which is lying near the seas. That is known as coastal areas. Running along with the Arabian Sea on the west, Bay of Bengal on the east. The western coast between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It has very narrow plain. It consists of 3 sections. Coastal plains in the Arabian Sea side consist of 3 sections. The northern part of this coast is called as Konkan. Northern side is known as Konkan. Central part is called as Kannada plain, and the southern part is called as Malabar coast. So, the coastal area mainly divided into two parts. One is Arabian Sea coastal areas and the second one is Bay of Bengal side coastal areas. Arabian Sea coastal area is divided into three parts. One is the north part, it is known as Konkan. Central part is known as Kannada plain and the southern part is known as Malabar coast. This is the three section of Arabian Sea coastal areas. Second one is Bay of Bengal coastal areas. The plain along the Bay of Bengal are wide and level. In the northern part, it is known as Northern Sircar, and the southern part, it is known as Coromandel coast. Bay of Bengal coastal area is mainly divided into two. One is Northern Sircar at the north side and the Malabar Coromandel coast of the south side. Large rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and the Kaveri formed extensive delta. Main rivers are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri formed in these coastal areas. Chilika Lake. Chilika Lake is an important feature of this area. Chilika Lake. So what is Chilika Lake? It is the largest saltwater lake in India. It lies in the state of Orissa to the south of Mahanadi Delta. I hope it is very clear. Yes. I am repeating the homework of today. You have to read only these two topics. That is the Indian desert and the coastal plains, and find out 5 short answer type of questions. Everybody is it clear? What is the homework of today? The Indian desert, the topic of Indian desert and the topic of coastal plains. Read thoroughly and find out and send it in my personal WhatsApp number before 8 p.m. today. If you have any doubts in the homework, please go through the video once again so it is very clear for you. Thank you. May God bless you.